How's it going, everyone? So one thing I'm asked is, what is it that we do exactly? So there's three basic services that we offer. We're kind of like a new breed of beekeeper, I suppose. But we're large-scale backyard beekeeping. And one service we do is we manage hives for people who want or need hives around, but they don't want to be the beekeeper. And so, like right here, we're in a backyard in Nichols Hills area. This property owner, they wanted, or they want 5, so we got 3 of them out here. We're going to put 2 more out here, and we manage them. So we do everything. Our property owners, they get 1 pound of honey free per hive that we place on their property. And then they have, let me set this stuff down. And then they have the option to buy more honey at a discounted rate if they want to. And they can enjoy it for themselves. They can store it, give it away, they can sell it, whatever they want to do with it. So that is one. That option is completely free though. And the second option is we manage. So we'll set up our hives just like this. We'll manage them for people that want or need them around again, and but they want to get all the honey. So they want to make a, or they want to buy extra honey. They want to buy extra honey. Maybe they have a store, or maybe they're going to use it. A lot of our restaurants do this, and so they can either set it up to where they buy all the honey as we extract it, or they can pay a monthly service fee, and depending on what their needs are will depend on how which option is best for them. So sometimes a monthly service fee is better, and if they're wanting to sell a whole bunch and stuff, and so that will just depend on what kind of business, storefront, or how much honey they think they're going to sell, of what option they're going to buy. And then the third one is we also manage bees for people that want bees around and they own all the equipment. So this one right here, the property owners own these hives. They want to relocate it, so we took them to an out yard for a few days, and now we're bringing them back. And I forgot my dolly, so we're having to hand carry them, so it's a lot of work, but we'll set them up to the location that they want them at, and they have a nice little fenced in area for them. So on situations like these, the property owner owns the hives, and then we come out and manage them. So they keep everything. They keep the splits. They will keep the money when they sell splits. They keep all the honey. We charge a monthly fee for this, and we extract it. We'll bottle it how they want to, and then they get to do whatever they want to with the honey and stuff. So they want bees around. A lot of these situations are people get into it not realizing what it is, everything that they're doing, and they realize it's more work, or they're gone a lot or something like that. So we offer this service as well. It's really nice, and we have a couple of properties we do this one for, and we're signed up for probably a dozen more. So it's a good way to earn extra income, and a good way for expand your business and your services. So it's definitely something different than the majority of beekeepers do. So anyways, that's what we're out doing tonight on this Saturday, June, what is the date?
I think
It's like June 9th or something like that. So.
8th or 9th?
So, a humid day, but we're getting it done. A good deal of our property owners, though, they simply just, they buy all of the honey that is produced in their backyard from us, and they buy it at a better rate, and a discount rate and stuff. So that's what a lot of our properties do. And so we don't have to, A, it keeps us out of the wholesale side of things, and B, it keeps us, or it helps, you know, like some other families to make some money and stuff, but we don't always have to push all of our honey and stuff, so people know where it's coming from. So there's different ways to do things. Those are 3 services. We're also in, like, we do for corporations and things, different restaurants and businesses and stuff like that, so we have that side too. So there's different ways of doing things. You know, you don't always have to just be like everybody else, you know. Step outside the box is what I always tell people, you know, and go from there. Alrighty, well, y'all be keeping it real out there. We will catch you on the next one. See ya.